Every journey begins with a single step, even when the path seems unclear. Sometimes the world can feel overwhelming, full of roadblocks and dead ends. Fear of failure can stop us in our tracks, challenges can seem insurmountable, and distractions threaten to derail us. But remember, these obstacles are not barriers, but opportunities for growth. In moments of self-doubt, when the path forward seems unclear, trust your instincts. Take that first step into the unknown. As you push through, you'll find that the world transforms with you. Your drive fuels not just your success, but inspires those around you. Remember, you have the power to rev up your motivation and drive towards success. The journey is yours to take.